Today we are making California rolls in a bowl. Are you hungry for recipes that won't break the bank or take up your entire day? Well, look no further because we've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let's get cooking. The first step to making this is cooking 2 cups of rice. After your rice is cooked, you will add 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar to your rice, stir it, and put it aside to cool. While the rice is cooling, we need to prepare our cucumbers and avocado. We are now going to cut 2 cucumbers into small pieces. Our cucumbers are ready, so we are going to set them aside. This recipe calls for 2 avocados, but I'm just going to do 1. Our avocado is cubed up, so let's put it aside. Now we are going to get our imitation crab ready. I am using 16 ounces. The imitation crab is ready, so let's prepare our bowl. We are first going to add our rice, then imitation crab, our avocado, cucumbers, and of course some yum yum sauce. To top it off, we are going to add some sesame seeds. This looks delicious. Let's see how it turned out.
So what are we having today?
It's a California roll in a bowl.
Oh, it looks delicious. So basically, I guess this is if you can't make a sushi roll, or you're not good at making a sushi roll, but it looks delicious. It smells good. Here, you want to try some? Good? Let me get even proportion here. Wow, that's good. That is really good. I love cucumber. A little spicy bun. Oh, I love the yum yum sauce too. Look at those cucumbers.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our cooking playlist. Stay tuned for next week's recipe video. Thanks for watching.